Hi, today we're gonna change the scoop for the air filter on A-Class Mercedes. It's 2001 W168. We're gonna change also the hook for the hood stand. It's broken. We're gonna change it. We're gonna change the air scoop, which always is a common problem in this car, that it breaks here. You can see I put duct tape for emergency. I was on the way, so just for the meantime until I bought the new parts. The new parts will be: this is the hook, this is the part number, this is the hook, and the air scoop also. This is the new one, this is the part number. It comes full without the air inlet here, so try to keep the air inlet. You're just gonna change the air scoop. Gonna move the clip which holds the intake for the air. To remove this, you have one clip from above, one clip from beneath. To release the upper one, you put your plastic prying between the edges here and there, okay, and pry from the sides. Put it inside and pry until you reach the clip, which is here exactly in the middle. That's it. Now I'm above the clip. Now you try to hold it from beneath and just take it. You can hold it from beneath or from up, as long as you pry one, because the other one won't bother you later. You put this aside. Now you have two clips that hold this intake to the metal here. So what you're gonna do is to try to move with one hand, with your hand try to clip here and here. Squeeze it away. I'll try with the other hand. Yes, so try this way, like this. See, this one clip, the other one. Now it's free, okay, moving out. Now you can remove it. You have also two notches here and here which support the intake air. So try to just wiggle it a little bit so it's out. You see one here, one is there. Now you can take your air intake out. So you have everything ready now. Holder for the hood. So this is the new one. I removed the old one by clipper. I just broke it. And you notice that in W168 they have the air hose here, the flexible one, without any clip. In the W69 they have the plastic clip. So I bought a clip which I'm gonna show you now. Let me put this one in its place. This is the clip I bought. The plastic clip from Mercedes cost around $40. This one cost me around $1.50. It's 70 millimeter, the width. So I'm gonna put the hose first into those clips, and then I'm gonna put it to hold it, because most of the reasons that it breaks, that keep moving from the pressure and the heat, and this is broken, so the holder will get into this hose and it will break, or it will get out and it will cause a vacuum leak and will give error sometimes in the engine. So this is the best way. Put this air hose, and in this way you fix your air hose intake, and you put the clip at the end. This is the holder, and this is the new one.